Yes, Healthcare Partners has had some exponential growth in 2011, acquired multiple clinics locally here in Pahrump, and this is one of the clinics at the Desert View Hospital.
This is formerly Canyon Gate.
Yes, Canyon Gate was purchased towards the end of, a couple months ago, basically about 2 months ago, and yeah, this is one of the locations that was bought by Healthcare Partners.
And you're a family practitioner. You're permanently here at this location.
Correct, yes, I work 4 9-hour days a week here. After the new year, it'll be Monday through Thursday.
Wonderful. And I know that the Postal Drive location has some specialists coming in there.
Yes, correct. I'm actually part of a leadership team that Healthcare Partners has developed locally here to try to figure out how to best serve the community. And what we're doing is we're trying to figure out where we're going to put all the providers and that sort of thing. But one thing that's definitely has already occurred is we have a multi-specialty clinic on Postal Road where Dr. Tenori's former office was.
Dr. Tenori is no longer there at that location?
Correct. Him and his wife, Dr. Wingarten, actually left our company yesterday.
Wow. And the specialist, how convenient is that for people to have specialists coming in always to that location so that they can not travel to Vegas, especially when you're not feeling well?
I think it's a great option, and we're looking at 15 different specialists currently, and most initial testing will be able to be done locally. I mean, if you need certain level of care, you may still have to go to Las Vegas, but in general, all your initial evaluations will be done in town here.
This location is very new, right next to DaVita Dialysis as well. We have a lot of different testing and procedures that can be done right here.
Correct. Yeah, for pretty much all routine primary health care needs we can do here, as well as just our company itself. We have the urgent care center, so that's extended hours during the weekend on weekends. Also, we're looking at doing a radiological center where Dr. Smith currently is located further down Calvada. Currently there we're doing MRIs, CAT scan, ultrasounds, x-rays, and mammograms, and we're going to be putting bone density in there. So pretty much almost anything you would need, at least initially up front, we can do right here in Pahrump.
Wonderful. And I know that a lot of our physicians work right out of the hospital here as well.
Correct. Yeah. For Healthcare Partners, those physicians aren't actually Healthcare Partner employees. We use them as sort of a hospitalist system where, if you need to be admitted to the hospital, you're taking care of those by those providers and released back to us upon discharge.
And then we take all different types of insurances.
Yes, but pretty much Healthcare Partners takes pretty much all insurances. The only thing after January we won't be servicing is senior dimensions, but beyond that, pretty much all other insurances are taken here.
But Humana has really stepped up to the plate, and a lot of people have found Humana to be a wonderful insurance.
Sure. Yeah, I think Humana and Senior Dimensions are very similar. They're Medicare Advantage programs, but yes, exactly. So
for people, if they want to have an appointment with you or any of the specialists, who they call?
They could just call the general Healthcare Partners number, which I think you're going to list on your program here. And I've pretty much availability, not too long of a wait. Also, we do have an influx of new providers coming. We have 3 new physicians that are joining, as well as some physician extenders like physician's assistants. So there is definitely immediate availability.